just awesome patriots that are sick of the bullshit. So thank you all for that. It's actually hard to believe. Unfortunately, there's a road in between the main crowd and then the masses. Love to see them get in closer because it did pretty awesome. But this is pretty incredible. Kimberly! There's one. T-minus a couple of seconds here, guys, so check it out, tune in, do live streaming, it's gonna be good. So on Mark Meadows, an actual fighter, one of the few, a real fighter. Thank you, Mark. Kimberly.
Yes, have the courage to do the right thing.